Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to all viewers of this video. Before I start, I would like to thank UiTM, especially the Dean of the Civil Engineering Faculty and the head of the contingent for this opportunity. Welcome again in iidex2020. New norm, stay at home but staying connected. This is the title of our innovation, FYP online system known as e-FYP. This e-FYP system was developed by the FYP Committee of the Faculty of Civil Engineering under the Academic Affairs. I begin with an introduction to the committee. Introduce Mr. Muhammad Amizan Muhammad, the coordinator and representative of the CBPM division. TS IR Nur Faiza Hamzah, a committee member cum representative of Geotran division. TS Dr. Nur Shahiza Zainuddin, representing for the REST division. And finally, me, TS Dr. Nurul Huda Sulaiman, a committee who representing the structure division. The main goal of developing the e-FYP system is in line with the Sustainable Development Goals by UNICEF. We have targeted the 4th, 8th, 9th and the 15th goals by using this e-FYP system. Today's presentation consists of 5 parts. The first part will be originality of the innovation. The second part is applicability of the innovation. The third part is commercial potentialities of the innovation. The number 4 is presentation and demonstration of the innovation. And the last part is academic and intellectual property recognition. In this first part, we will tell the development background, customer satisfaction survey, how we define problems, and also the construction of this e-FYP system. The history of the development began in 2016. When we realized there were problems and complaints from the faculty staff as well as our own experience operating the manual system. To get the right situation, a survey on the staffs involved such as lecturers and administrative staff was conducted. The results have proved there are weaknesses in the manual system practiced at that time. After being able to identify the problem more clearly, a brainstorming session was conducted to plan an effective solution by applying the SWOT analysis. Then the e-FYP system is designed in several meetings and workshops with all FYP committee's members, the ICT experts, and academic affairs staff. This system was finally implemented in 2017. After that, this system has undergone a series of improvements until it was fully established and stable in 2018. In 2019, a study was conducted to identify the level of satisfaction of users of this e-FYP system. With very positive results, the system has been awarded gold at the faculty level and also listed as the finalist in the Operational Excellence Competition at the university level. This is an analysis of the user's satisfaction level towards the manual system in 2016. The findings show that over 50% have been unhappy with this system. Then, this is the process of identifying the problem and selecting the focus for improvement. The figure shows the SOP for FYP1, which is for semester 7 students. The yellow boxes are the focuses to be eliminated in the e-FYP system, while this is the SOP for FYP2 for the final semester students. Also, the yellow boxes are the process that needs to be eliminated in e-FYP system. Most of these yellow boxes involve the process of updating and monitoring, which time-consuming and consists of unnecessary bureaucracy. 3 functions has been selected to be developed in e-FYP system. They are the FYP registration function, the updating data of students and supervisors, and results evaluation. As the result, the SOP of FYP can be shortened from this to this. To ensure the sustainability of the system, a SWOT analysis was conducted to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. However, the weaknesses and traits identified are at a minimal level and can be controlled. In this second part, we will explain the applicability of the system by proving its effectiveness on financial costs, manpower, time consumed, and user satisfaction. The effect on cost indicates zero cost for papers and printing using e-FYP compared to the manual system where Rm 975 is required for paper and printing. This has given 100% savings. The second is the impact on manpower, where 8 people are needed to operate the manual system. However, only 3 people are needed to conduct e-FYP system. This saving is 63%. The third is the effect on time. 21 days is required to handle the registration process, data updating, and FYP evaluating manually. However, only 2 days are required if using the e-FYP system. This time savings is as much as 91%. And lastly is the level of user satisfaction. Through a survey, about 98% were satisfied with this system. In this third section, we have identified the potential of e-FYP system to be commercialized. We are very confident of being able to collaborate with other faculties in UiTM Shah Alam as well as all UiTM campuses. In addition, we target to work with local and also international universities as well. The greatness of this e-FYP system has been the talk of the town, so many universities have come to our faculty for advice. Among them are UCSI University, Masa University, and University Malaysia Sabah, and many more. Well, this is the long-awaited part, which is the fourth part. I will do a little demonstration of how the system is operated. First step, users need to visit FKA website. There are 2 different links for supervisors and for students. I will show you the interface of e-FYP system. There are dashboard button as the introduction to the system, the register, supervisor list, marking, and admin. Okay, this register button is a function whereby the student can choose their supervisors, and the supervisors also can view the list of student under their supervision. Okay. For evaluation purpose, the supervisor have to key in their ID number, choose student, and give marks according to the items listed in the table. All marks will be automatically calculated after click the submit button. And finally, the part 5, which is recognition. As I mentioned earlier that 2 victories have been achieved by this e-FYP system due to its effectiveness in managing FYP process. The gold medal was achieved at the faculty level and also listed as the finalist in operational excellence competition at the university level. One journal paper also has been produced and still in final editing stage to be published in academic journal. To preserve the system as belonging to the Faculty of Civil Engineering, it has also been registered as copyright through RIBU UiTM. And lastly, future plan. Our aims is to improvise the system by adding some other functions. The first function is uploading marks using smartphone application by developing application for Android and iPhone users. Number 2, the function to upload rubrics for evaluation. Number 3, to provide supervisor background and CV. And the last, due to pandemic condition right now, we hope that by using this e-FYP, we can go online by doing the online or YouTube project presentation. That's all my presentation, and thank you.